What's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you how to reset maintenance required, this little light right here after you do your oil change on a 2005 Toyota Corolla. First thing you want to do is make sure that it's ODO is displayed right here. I guess with the car on, car off, doesn't matter, as opposed to trip A or trip B using this button right here. So put it on ODO. Now what you're going to want to do is turn off your ignition, right? And you're going to hold this button, the same button that I used before, and turn the ignition, and continue to hold this button while you turn the ignition, but don't turn it to on, turn it to the step before. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now for you guys. All right, so I turned the ignition, continued to hold that, and the maintenance light went away. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. Maintenance required complete. Start the car now, check if it's gone, and the maintenance light is gone. Thank you for watching.